points. First quarter, G1 versus Salcido. Elimination round. Ang mananalo nito, makakalaban ng G1 Padayon for championship game tomorrow morning, December 8, 2025. Here comes Salcido.
Number 8, Joseph.
Standing at the center, Daganyo, Salcido.
Number 32 against number 1 is PGG1 versus Salcido.
For the Fiesta of
First
G1
position
Eastern Samar,
PGG1 versus number 15.
Immaculate Concepcion. Sayang.
Shot clock down to 17. Number 23, Paulo Moraganda.
Yun na po, wala.
There's a whistle.
May foul. Daganyo.
Number 15. Paulo Moraganda.
Roa Costa.
Time to shoot. Right jumper. Using the glass. For two. Raya Costa.
Acosta. Third drop.
Here comes number 77.
7.
To number 13, Pambulugan.
Ang bulugan.
15 to shoot.
Agaw.
Intercepted number 93. Long pass to number 24.
Nice.
Using the glass for two. Running score 4-0.
4-0.
In favor to SPG G1. Number 77 now. Looking close the match. Number 1 to number 20 at the corner. In the goal. Shot clock reset.
Salcido ball.
Number 77
Limit.
number 6. Number 6
Yes.
at the center window for two. Here comes Rijam to number 23 Lula. 15 on the shot clock. Number 11 running jumper shot. Offensive level number 17 from Bando at the corner window for two.
2 points by Daganyo.
Running score same four. SPG1 is up by 4 points. Here comes Tassin. Full jumper window, nothing but that. Number 23 to number 15. Picture number 23, 15 to shoot. Number 23 to number 32, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Picture to number 15, present to 14. Shot clock down to 10. To Paganto. 5 to shoot. 3.7. Too strong. Offensive rebound number 18. After number 23, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Goal. Number 8, long pass to Rayman. Here comes number 18. To number 15, Rijam. Goes inside. Blocked by Tambulugan. 23 in Vander. To number 15. A late violation. Lord pass. The team captain of Salcido. 15 on the shot clock. Tambulugan off the corner. Too strong. Position number 1. Back to Tambulugan. Acrobatic shot clock. There's a whistle. Foul on number 14. Holding foul. 5 seconds. There comes Rijam. There's a whistle. Number 32, 9 to shoot. Number 15, number 23. Shot. Long pass to number 13. But there's a whistle. Foul on number 15.
Foul. Rejang.
Number 8.
Nakaka-play.
May kasama pang foul. Basket count. Foul on number 17. Youth. Bonus free throw awarded to number 8. Desert. Go up. Bonus free throw. Basket.
Yes. Complete.
Desert completes the 3-point play. Now is up by 1 point.
Score. City size.
Then
Salcedo.
comes Rizam. 15 on the shot clock. So number 8 and Acosta. Time to shoot. Back to Rizam. To Loyola. Break on sa 10. Air ball. So number 8 Desert. To Tambuluban at the center. Bingo. Between.
Rejang.
Number 15.
Pull up.
At the center. Short.
Wala. Salcedo ball.
Substitution.
Substitution. Enriquez in.
5 minutes and 36
Abando
seconds.
out.
Remaining break time, first quarter. Lemon, 3 points ahead.
Wala.
Goes wrong. Six up to number 2. Comes number 7. Back to number 32. Intercepted on number 82. To number 6, Lemon. First goal on the shot clock. Here comes Tambuluban. Cross pass to Lemon. Lemon. To nice step. Miguel using the glass for 2. Here comes number 32. To Gina Rodriguez. There's a whistle. Foul.
Walang tira na
First throw on Rodriguez.
Basket.
Is basket.
Pangalawang tira.
Basket
Pass off
again.
again. Nice shot, Enriquez.
Running score, 11.
Veterans of G1.
Salcedo is up by 3 points.
Scam Rodri pass. Point guard of Salcedo.
Here comes Desert. 15 in the shot clock. Tambuluban. In and out. Kicks up to number 23, Loyola. To Enriquez.
Dunk
From sa bed, on Acosta. Goes wrong.
Wala. Stats ang Dasig.
Sub.
Substitution. Costa out.
Sub.
Dunk side.
Paterse. Here comes number 7. Abana, 10 to shoot. Goes inside. To Enriquez. Full of jumper. And out.
Wala.
Takes up on Makasosi. Magbiasa. Back to Dasig. To Makasosi. At the corner. Takes up on number 29. To Abana. Back to Gatsa. Here comes Loyola. Goes inside. There's a whistle.
Traveling.
A traveling violation. There's 3 minutes and 44
Time
seconds.
out Salcedo.
Remaining game
Score
time.
11-8 in favor of Salcedo. Last 3 minutes and 44 seconds. First quarter. Back to the full game.
Here comes Biasong. Tumakasasi. 15 on the shot clock. That's it. Back to Biasong. 10 to shoot. There's a whistle. Foul on number 11, Biasong. Penalty situation.
Walang tira.
First throw, Loyola. Nothing but net.
Penalty ng Salcedo.
Running score, Amonse. Right there. That throw.
Perfect.
Nothing but net.
Ayun, gesto ni Loyola. Here comes number 11 of Salcedo. Biasong.
Yes, now, ulit.
To limit.
He doesn't present the shoot. There's a whistle.
May foul. Double foul.
Foul number 22. Dasek inbounded. Inbounded to Biaso.
Yasong, to limit, long 3.
3 points again, shoot. Picks up on Enriquez.
Enriquez.
Pass to Rivera. Here comes Rivera.
Viola.
3 points again.
Nasa, yes.
Number 23. Gistorio Rivera. 3.
Sinagasaan sa Biasong. Nakasusi.
Kept on the center.
Klasik.
There's a whistle.
May foul si Enriquez.
Lemon hits. Goes inside. Right passes Rivera. Bingo.
Nice.
Nice.
Limit.
Number 23, Rivera, too strong. Picks up on Dasek. Here comes Dasek, goes inside. Pinakasusi. Pull-up chopper, too strong. Rebound on Rivera. To Daksa on the corner. Too strong. Rebound on Dasek. From last 11. Intercepted on number 7.
Running score, deadlock, pareho 3C. 1 minute and 55
Dasek, rebound on number
seconds.
82. On the corner, shot.
First quarter.
Last
Salcido ball.
chance. On Rivera. Number 10, Makasusi.
Laundry pass.
Solid pass. Sugaya. Back to Badal. Right-handed layup. On the corner, Fadul.
Padul.
Back to Badal. 15 on the shot clock. Here comes Rivera. There's a whistle. Traveling violation. Ball from here.
Traveling. Pasig.
Number 8, David Jekyll, so strong. Taking some ribbon on Badal. To number 77, Red Pass. 10 on the shot clock. Number 77. Right-handed layup. Fadul.
Laundry pass.
Running score, this is shooting, 15 seconds. Abada, Daksa, goes inside, left bounce.
Daksa. 2 points.
Laundry pass now,
Laundry pass.
laundry pass. There's a whistle, traveling violation. Turnover. Substitution. 43 segundos.
Full court.
40 segundos. Intercepted Dasek, Lemon. Lemon, drop pass. Finally, using the last. 24 segundos. 20 segundos. Abada, block. Final. 15 segundos. 10.1 seconds remaining playing time.
Score.
Timeout is BGQ1 with 15 seconds. 15.5 seconds. Here comes the shot. Here's the Bernard. Bingo. G seconds. Lemon. Right, and the grab. Control. And of the first quarter, running score. 21, 17.
21-17, Salcido. First quarter.